Guys, today we're going to be talking about networking basics. So this is part 1. So what is network? Okay. So what is network? It's about connecting the computer and network devices together to facilitate the transfers of information like data, video, audio. And it also allows sharing of resources like printers on over network. Next, what is net? Wait, sorry. What is networking? So, internet is called as a public network since everyone can access throughout the world. This is similar to public transport where everyone can use it. The network built inside the offices' homes are also known as private networks. They are known as private networks. What is IPv4 address? So before we get into details of public or private network, we should know that all the devices connected to network require an IP address. That's the number assigned to devices in numerical form. It's the core of for the network connectivity. What is IPv4 address? Okay. Everyone might have noticed IPv4 version 4 is 32-bit divided into 8 bits with dot as separator. In decimal form, it looks like 192.168.1.1 etc., which means we can start with 0.0.0.0 and go up to 255.255.255.255. Since each byte is 8 bits, in hex form, maximum value is FF colon FF colon FF colon FF colon FF. Sorry, not colon. Difference between public and private networks. In simple terms, networks built within office home is called private networks, and public networks is the internet. However, we require private network to access the public network, which is internet. Private and public network are classified based on IP address range used. Table shows allocation of private and public address range. Difference between public and private network. Address range used for private networks cannot be used in public networks, and this is how the networking devices are built commonly. Commonly used private address range is home is 192.168. Whatever numbers are there, 1.1 anything 0.1. Public IP address allocation on the internet are governed by IANA, which is Internet Authority. Next, how the devices on home communicate to the internet. When any devices need to communicate on internet need public IP address, but inside the home devices are with private IP address, then how is it possible to get connected to the internet? You may be aware we are using networking devices installed in every home called router with Ethernet Wi-Fi interface, private Wi-Fi and an interface for public network connected to ISP, Internet Service Provider. Interface connected to public networks will get IP address assigned from ISP, Internet Services Provider, and all the other devices connected to the router will use this common address when it goes out to the internet. Router does a function called network address translation NAT to make it possible. Last conclusion. By concept, private networks are more secure than public network. However, there are ways to get into private network from internet, and this can be further securing using firewalls on the private network, which does the filtering of incoming outgoing traffic. This comes to end of part 1 on basic network of networking. We will see more in details in further videos. Thanks once again for watching, and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and also subscribe. See you guys later.